What's up everybody, Chase back with LittleMind.com, and in today's video I'm going to be going over my first day shopping and delivering for Instacart. Overall, Instacart is a great way to make some extra cash on the side, and I think I only did like 2 or 3 orders and it was very consistent and I made about 50 bucks. And Instacart has the potential to pay over $100 a day depending on how much you guys shop and the classification of if you're a part-time shopper or a full-time shopper and deliverer. But if you guys haven't watched one of my 2 previous videos, I first started talking about Instacart in my video 10 easy side jobs to make some extra cash in 2020. And then the second video, I talked a little bit about my thoughts and the pay situation for Instacart. If you guys want to go watch those, the best way to do that is by subscribing to the channel and then going to watch them after this video is over with. But other than that, let's get started. So if you guys are interested in becoming an Instacart shopper, it's a completely free process in order to get started. You guys can use the link in the description below. And if you guys are thinking about signing up to become a shopper, it's a great way to make some extra money on the side. First day impressions for delivering or shopping and delivering for Instacart was actually really good. I only shopped 2 or 3 orders and made about 50 bucks. So the pay is really good. If you guys kind of want to see a pay breakdown, just go watch one of those previous videos that I did on my channel. But overall pay situation for Instacart is really good. They offer a ton of bonuses throughout the week, normally just depending on what city and area that you guys live in. That's just pretty much bonuses on top of the regular pay. And then you do get customer tips. A lot of the time too, customers will tip on the platform and then also tip in person in cash. So there's a ton of potential out there to get paid for Instacart. And if you were to do this full time, you can expect to be paid almost $100 or more a day, just depending on how long you guys shop, as well as how fast you guys shop and stuff like that. Now you guys can either sign up to be a part-time shopper where you're just going to be shopping in the store where the customer can come by and pick up that order, or you guys can be a full-service shopper and pretty much go to the grocery store, shop for the customer, as well as deliver it to the customer wherever they're at. So overall, I really think the full service shopper is the best way to go, just because you're going to be able to set your time and schedule kind of whenever you want to. So for me, for instance, on my first day shopping and delivering for Instacart, I pretty much got on my phone app, just started looking for the orders that were available at the time. You're going to be able to see the order, how much you're going to be paid, how much you're going to be tipped, how much or how many items there are on the shopping list that you're going to be doing, the location of the grocery store, and the total distance that you're going to be traveling. So overall, there's a good picture beforehand on what you guys can expect to be paid. A picture for you guys before you guys accept the order on how much you guys will make, how far you'll go, how long you'll probably be shopping, just by looking at the details for the order before you accept them. So I only did like 2 or 3 orders on my first day and overall made about $50. And it was a super easy process. I did go to one store that I never shopped at before, so it was a little tricky just navigating the store. It is kind of like a scavenger hunt if you guys aren't used to shopping. But overall, it's a fun and easy process to get paid and an overall easy side job to do. Instacart is a great way to make some extra money. It's also a very simple service to use. So when I was on the app first starting off, they're going to have you do some training on the app, as well as pretty much have the ability to do practice orders before you actually get started. This is going to help you guys pretty much just navigate the app, use the app, and kind of like just navigate it all the way to the end. So as long as you do your practice orders, you're going to be ready to pretty much shop and accept orders when you get you guys' prepaid card. Overall, Instacart, it's a super easy app to use. You also do have a ton of potential resources on the app within the dashboard, as well as the knowledge center. You're going to be able to track earnings overall super well. You're going to be able to find resources, information if you have questions. Instacart agents are easily available to hop on the phone as well as chat. So overall, the service itself using that Instacart app is pretty easy to use as long as you have a good phone. Just make sure you guys do also have a good battery life on your phone or a potential external charger. That way you guys can take in and use while you're shopping. So the next little thing I'm going to kind of go over is like the total process from accepting an order to delivering it. All you have to do is just go on the app, pretty much search for the orders that are available at the current time. If you find one that you want to accept, you pretty much swipe across, go to the grocery store, start shopping, and then check out. Once you guys are done shopping, all you guys have to do is just go check out, use your Instacart card, and then just follow the prompts the entire way through. If you guys are having problems actually shopping for orders, like if, for example, if there's something that the store doesn't have or an off-brand, just make sure you guys stay in constant communication with the customer, and overall just use your best judgment, as well as just ask questions if they are okay with certain items on your order being replaced, refunded, or stuff like that. Sometimes they may also ask you guys to add extra things on the list, and it's overall super easy just to add it. It's going to be at the bottom of your guys' page. But going back to the checkout, once you guys check out, you're just going to be pretty much following the prompts. Go to your car, put it all in, and then start the delivery. Once you guys deliver it, you're going to pretty much complete that order, and then you're going to be able to go on to the next order that you guys can accept, or you guys can pretty much move on about your day and stop shopping for the day. So for full service shoppers, overall, I think it's a great way if you guys have reliable transportation, and is the best way to overall make the most money on Instacart. So overall, I really enjoyed shopping for Instacart. I think it's a great way to make some extra money on the side, especially if you're a full service shopper. You can pretty much just pick and choose the orders when you want to accept, as well as see which orders are available. You can pretty much pick and choose your own hours when you want to shop. So if that's only from like 2 to 3, you can do like one order, or if it's like 12 to 5, you guys can shop from that amount of time and then just hop off. Now, if you guys are going to be a part-time shopper, all you're going to have to do is pretty much just go to the store and then just start shopping when orders come up, and this will allow customers, when they're ready, to pretty much come by and pick up the order themselves. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please click that like button below. That way we can send this video out into the YouTube universe. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as go watch the other 2 videos about Instacart that I have made. The Instacart Pay video that I made is an overall great video, and you guys can expect to see a lot more in depth about Instacart Pay and a little more of a review for Instacart. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and see you guys on the next video.